Hello guys, my name is James Ogunde. I would like to take you through the Archicad and its component. So today we are going to learn on how to use Archicad and how to use the different kind of element that is available here. First, I will start with the drawing of a wall. We will start with drawing the first wall until the end, the wall until the end. Then we put window, door, window, door, and slab, and so many on. I have my colleague here. He will help me if need be. So today we will start by setting the wall. Setting the wall. If you want the wall setting of the wall, you will have to come here. You come to geometrical and positioning, where geometrical and positioning you will click not link. That's what I normally use. After that, after you have clicked not linked, you will set the wall to the preference that you need. Either if you want your building, either it depends with the temperature and where you want to build your building. The second thing you would like to do, you will come to the setting of the wall. If you come to setting of the wall size, this place, these three things, you take the first structural basic composite. Structural basic composite, here you will select here in the generic structural, so that you choose or you select the type of the building, not the type of the building, but the type of the wall, which will the representation of the wall, which will be showing on a 3D. Here you will check a presentation of a wall, which is, I normally use a brick. That is the presentation of a wall that I normally use most of my time. Then you click there. Then after clicking there, you will come here to the wall size. Wall size, I normally use 200, sorry, for the internal, type of for the internal, for the external wall. So here I will change it to 200. Well, the GL I will just put it. It will remain at 0. So GL is ground level. So I will remain it. I will put it to be at 0, so that the building starts at a 0, although it will start at a negative because of foundation is also there. But I will use in the section side is what I will edit that video. So the second thing, you will come to the setting of the wall, floor plan and sections, the way you want your section and the floor plan to look like. All those you will put there. So after that, after you have set, let's say you will set the type of the color and whatsoever. So after you have selected that, you will come here to the model. Model is where, sorry guys, I like laughing a lot. So here is where you will come to the model. Model is where you will change the color, the type of the color, your taste of the color of the wall that you need. Here, the first model of overhead surface is the first model is what we call the outside surface of the wall. Venye itakuwa inaonekana nje. So I'll click here Once I click here, I'll select, let's say I'll select, I always like, I can select any kind of color that I need. Let's say like wood walnut, horizontal. Then after that, I select that. Then I go to the edges like copra in construction. I'm not wrong. So edges is where you will select type of the edges that you need. Then you put, let's say maybe marble, or we put only that one. So after that, you will go to the inside of the wall, the surface of the inside surface of the wall. So after that, you will select the type of the color that you need. I always select glossy white. So you guys are here, now you know my color. So after that, you are finished with the setting. You will come here, using here. This is link. Whenever you put this one on, you will link it to a uniform color. When you put it off, you will put the color of the wall to be independent. So you will put it independent to our purpose or to our safety, or I can put it to link so that you see what is happening. So after that, you will click. Then again, after you have already show your setting, or you have already show you have set your wall, then you come to the center, the type of the wall. Do you want it to run to the center to center? That means it will take, either if the wall is 200, you will take 200 this side, 100 this side, 100 this side, like, and for an example. So you come here to the core. This one is core center. Then you put it to the center there. So the second thing, we will start drawing. And if you start drawing, there is a reference where you start drawing. It's always here. This is where we will start drawing your wall. So when you want your line or your wall to be straight enough, straight enough, you will shift what? You will all shift and you drag your line to a place that you need it to be. Next size. Sorry guys, next size. Here you go. Like now, or as such, already we have a wall here. If I have a wall here, I want to put another wall, although it's not straight, I'll just rub it very quickly, or I will just delete it very quickly, then I'll draw another one. Like that one. I will not do with the measurement, I will just do a rough example of how to draw it. And how to draw it. So sorry, just let's say a building look like that. Then I want to cut here, so I will shift. I will not shift. Sorry, control. When you control the X, this X, what it pop out, then you cut it out. So when you come to your 3D or your actual building, you will see the way it looks like. When you, okay, it looks like So when you want to rotate it to 360 degrees, you will come here to, you will, right click, then you come to orbit, then you rotate it to an angle that you need. Or else you can press letter O to take you just through it. So are you seeing the wall has the uniform color? But here comes when I highlight it, when I highlight all, let's say I highlight all, then I control T, that one is, it will direct you to the setting. You control T, then you put this, you lock this link surface, it will show independent. It will be independent, like when you lock it, it will show independent. Let's see. I don't know if it's sure, but let us control T. Then you, let's say you want this color to be different from others, you will put like even this color or any color that you prefer to. Then you put like that. Then if you come here, if you come to 3D, now are you seeing the way it is? It's very, very, very presentable. Very, very presentable. I love red as but this is how it is. Now, after you have drawn your wall, the height of your wall is 2800. So we will put a slab. So our slab, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's James Ogunde is my name, is the name of the channel. Subscribe, share, and like. Gonga tu hapo bwana. Gonga tu hapo kabisa, dakika moja tu, hata ichukue 1 second kugonga hiyo kitu alafu subscribe. It does not, it's even is uncosty bwana. I cost anything, gonga hapo bwana. Alafu ni promote. Tunaenda mbali. Hivi hivyo ndio unaweza ni promote, hakuna kitu kingine. So let's continue. So we will go to slab. The slab thickness I always use 150 if I'm not wrong. The slab thickness I always use 150 if I'm not wrong. And the slab thickness I use 150. Sorry for that interference. So if I use 150, then we have different kind of slab. Kuna ile slab ya kuweka tu pan. So there is one slab here. We can put it to the angle that you need. Like here, we put this. That one is that one is called a figure slab. So like the first one is like you draw corner to corner so that itoke vizuri. Like that. I want you to check slowly too. Slowly too. Check it. Now I've already drawn that slab. If you go to 3D, you come back to 3D, are you now seeing how our slab look like? Although I've not gone there to set our slab, but no problem, we can just go through it anytime we need to. Like say, if you want to reset your slab, you will control all so that it highlights the slab. Then it's still loading. Well, Archicad is loading. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bohana. Hey, go and share. So the same the thing I told you, your reference, you will have to change there. Let's say here is there. Then the geometry and the positioning, you click there. Then after you click, at that stage you will come to concrete and structural. That's the presentation of concrete structure. So after that, then you will check. Are you seeing here is 300? You will reduce it to 200, or let's put it as 200, 200. It depends with the size, not size, but your structure and the condition of where you want to, or the load that the building will bear. So here is the GL. GL we will not put, we will leave it at 0. So after the second one is the surface, the upper top of the wall, the upper part of the slab, sorry, is you choose the kind of color that you need. Let's put like wood walnut. Wood walnut is the best thing to do with me. According to me, I like to put that kind of color because it's in like a attraction ingine ile kani. So after you have done that, you come here to the second nini edge ile that let's say like this is a front. Okay, you know this is a surface of the slab. Then this edge is what I'm talking about. So you will click here. Then you come here again, you click. That one is now chini yake. Chini yake umejua si lazima sana. So we can just leave it like that. So after that you will click. When you click the setting, you go back to your wall. Are you seeing the color as drastically changed? Very smart, very, very smart. Then after I already done that, I will, I've already done that. We have already done setting. So the second thing we're gonna do is the second thing we are going to do is to show you another way of putting a slab. Like here, like this is a slab which is coming with a rectangle. So when you click here and I want to skip also, it's not at the point. So if you come to that point, and you highlight to the place where your slab should be, then you put it like that. Using that. So after that, the second one, if the second thing, are you seeing it? Imetoka nje. Kama imetoka nje, tunaweza toa that kind of portion kadogo tutoa nje, kwa sababu we don't need that kind of portion of that kind of surface of that portion of the slab. So you will click to this place. Then this kind of popping, are you seeing here? It will come. Then you click minus, subtract from the edge. You click there. Whenever you click there, you will click to where you want to, you will outline the place where you want your slab to be. Not to be, sorry, but you will outline a place where you want your slab not to be. Like that. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So alafu inaishia hapo. So hebu tuende kwa 3D. Kama umeenda 3D utaona kama imetoka, lakini kuna kapisi kadogo imebaki that need us to remove outside. So our piece, kapisi ingine yenye imebaki tunaweza toa. So how do we remove it? You come here and you click this place. You come here and you click there, then you drag it to that place. Are you seeing now it is not there? So if it is not there, so if you go to 3D, you will see now our slab the way it look like. Are you seeing that? So you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel so that next time I show you how to make windows, doors, and windows, door, and what? And roof. Thank you and be blessed. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, don't play here.